Only question is, what is the basis for granting compensation of rupees 10 lakhs? That's the only question. If you see the
Maintenance case, there's a finding that the husband has caused mental agony and cruelty to the wife, and in the divorce proceeding, the divorce has been granted on the ground of cruelty on behalf of the wife. That was the
what happened to decree of divorce, it is final, it is under challenge.
No, it was not challenged.
But where is the decree of divorce? If there is a finding that you acted with cruelty, can the order of the magistrate and the DV Act be sustained directing husband to pay 10 lakhs on account of cruelty?
My lord,
5,000 is the maintenance, correct? Now offer some lump sum amount to her and finish off the matter. The reason
7, my lords may grant me 2 weeks time for filing counter, my lord.
counter.
My lord, she has sent it already. I have not yet received. I may be receiving, my lord.
My counter is required unless he relies upon some new document. This arises out of order of the High Court. Counter mechanically. Why should we grant time for counter?
No, my lord. Why he said he made a statement in the affidavit saying that he is paying the 5,000 rupees maintenance
No,
is concerned.
see,
He is not at all paying even.
that we'll consider it. We'll consider it a contention. Only question is, what is the basis for granting compensation of rupees 10 lakhs? That's the only question. If you see the interim order, 2nd September 22.
Yes, my lord. My lords, basing.
What is stated is only order granting compensation. Now, if you see the order granting compensation, how do you justify 10 lakhs?
The 10 lakhs.
Just see, page 68 is the operative part of the order
Yes, my lord.
of the learned magistrate. Now, what is the basis of computing 10 lakhs? That's the only issue involved.
Lord, just a small reply will be filed, my lord. That she has already sent it, my lord. Only I have received in 2 days. Please consider.
My lords may consider that there are parallel findings. In the maintenance case, there's a finding that the husband has caused mental agony and cruelty to the wife, and in the divorce proceeding, the divorce has been granted on the ground of cruelty on behalf of the wife. That was the ground that we had argued on 2nd September 2020.
Correct. Now, the decree of divorce.
Yes, my lord.
What happened to decree of divorce? It is final. It is under challenge.
No, it was not challenged.
It's not true.
Where is the decree of divorce? It is annexed.
Yes, my lord. It's in the affidavit at page 20.
Affidavit filed on behalf of petitioner.
Yes, my lord. 21st April 2020.
That is a fact, my lord, that divorce has been granted and she has not challenged and
One second.
she is not prepared to also challenge.
21st April 2022 affidavit, page 20 is the divorce decree.
Correct. Now, what were the issues framed? The petition was filed by the husband.
Yes, my lord.
And let us see page number 29.
The issues are at page 29.
So you allege cruelty against the wife,
Yes,
and
sir.
that allegation has been established.
Yeah. At page 47, para 47, page 63.
No, she is not challenged.
But now, on first principles, you tell us, if there is a finding that you acted with cruelty, can the order of the magistrate and the DV Act be sustained directing husband to pay 10 lakhs on account of cruelty?
My lord, your lordship, what happened is concerned. That's why I wanted to explain the situations also, my lord. In the trial, in the magistrate court, the family court has referred to the magistrate order and relied also findings, and ultimately simply, my lord, at the fag end says that it is concerning cruelty has been established.
Yes.
So
but
that is the only thing.
Sorry. There are two things we stare at the face. First is, you are not challenging the finding recorded on the ground of cruelty. That is number one. If you see the judgment of the learned magistrate, there is no basis for arriving at figure of rupees 10 lakhs. Absolutely no basis.
10 lakhs has been granted, seeing the nature of the harassment and cruelty she has beaten out by them to them. That is the main thing, my lord. A short time.
What is a wife doing and what you are doing in life?
My lords, I'm an Ayurvedic doctor earning 25,000 rupees because after my heart attack, I've stopped working. I'm dependent on my mother.
That always happens. When question of maintenance comes up, husband gets ill, he loses his employment.
My
So
lords,
what we are
the
trying to
word
tell
it
you-
moves prior to the
No,
divorce.
we are trying to tell you one thing. 5,000 is the maintenance, correct? Now, offer some lump sum amount to her and finish off the matter. The reason is, this litigation will continue. It is in your interest also to pay lump sum, because today it is 5,000, maybe after a few years, she'll apply for enhancement. So is it not in your interest that you put an end to the whole thing. Now divorce has happened. Prima facie, we are with you as far as 10 lakhs is concerned, but you must offer lump sum payment.
I'll take instructions. on
Take
that.
instructions.
Like even till today, even 1 rupee has not paid
That
towards
also you take
maintenance.
instructions, whether maintenance amount in terms of rupees 5,000 has been paid.
We'll
Oh,
take an affidavit. We'll take instructions.
Order dated 2nd September 22, we direct the petitioner to file an affidavit placing on record proof of payment of monthly maintenance at the rate of rupees 5,000 to the wife. We are informed across the bar that decree of divorce passed in favor of the petitioner husband on the ground of cruelty has attained finality. First off, affidavit to be filed in 1 week, to be listed on the top of the list on 21st January. Counsel for petitioner will take instructions whether petitioner is willing to offer a lump sum amount by way of maintenance to the wife. Meanwhile, you can file your counter, whatever.
My lords may consider giving us 2 weeks because we'll have to communicate it and get the affidavit.
So, affidavit to be filed within 2 weeks, to be listed on top of the list on 28th January.